and welcome to my channel. This is Tyra. Today I have an unboxing from the Victoriasmoon shop. I had a conversation with them and they wanted to send me a square painting. So this is an unboxing of one of the square paintings. They are placed in China, so if you want to order from them, they are pretty fast with their delivery times compared with AliExpress and so on. And they ship here to Denmark via a courier, so the boxes comes really nicely packaged and in a really nice good condition, so that's really good. I am currently working on a round painting from them, and with round drills, and I think the quality is quite good. So I agreed to unbox another one, but this time I chose a square one with square drills. So I'm pretty excited about these, and as you can see here, there's loads of blacks in them. And sorry for the glare. And here we have the canvas, and I have this free present again. Love these. I haven't really tried them, but love them with the small diamonds inside, and it's a pink one, so it looks really good. So let's see, there's a toolkit in here, a normal toolkit. There's some extra glue if you have an issue, but otherwise it's a plain toolkit. So to see the painting that I chose, oh, they put something new inside it. What is this? Oh, they put a schedule or a extra chart in it with all the symbols, so that looks good. And it's on some sort of paper, so you could cut it out. I don't know. To me, I don't really use that so much because I just write the symbols onto here and use that. So yeah. But let's just look at it, and the back side looks again really good. It's a double adhesive tape, but I haven't really had any issues with it. This one you can't even see the thumbnail, so I can't show you the photo. So, but in the start of the video you saw the photo, didn't you? So let's see. The size, does it say a size on it? It's a 50 x 75, so it's a huge one. But let's see if I can tear this back, and you can see the image that I chose. And as this is a square, I don't really care anything about how the colors look on the image, because they're going to be covered up. So it's just that you need to be able to see the symbols and see if they're clear. And I'm just going to turn you around. So here we have it. It's a horse on a black background. So as you can see, all the surrounding black background is black. So there's going to be a lot of placement of 3 tons here. And then you have the horse in the middle. It looks really good. And the canvas, again, really good quality. I haven't had any issues with it, and I don't really have any issues with them at all. Down here there's a small bubbling, but it's nothing which is going to affect the canvas at all. So beautiful. And I'm really looking forward to do this one. Let's just look at the drills as well. Let's see. I'm just going to open it this way as well, just to make sure that it's completely flattened down. And just hoping that I don't break it, but I don't. So, and here it's flattened now. So yeah, it looks good. And just pressing it down. So now the canvas is flat. As you can see, no issues with it. I'm just going to take you down a bit to make you see this. I'm just going to insert a picture here of the painting. Yes, as you could see of the painting, it's a white horse on a black background. And if you notice now, when we take all the drills, you will probably notice there's not many whites in it. There's sandy colors and so on. And some might be a bit concerned here, because look at all these 310s for the background. I have 310s for I don't know how long, but a long time. And then there's 939 dark blue colors as well. But here we have all the colors. And as you can see, it is supposed to be a white horse, and there's not many white colors in it. There's even some greens in it. So, should I be concerned? Now, no. And I can show you why I am not the slightest concerned here. I'm going to show you another painting that I've done, which when I started, it thought would turn out awful because it had no whites in it, and it's a white swan. That doesn't make sense, does it? So I'm just going to take this aside, and then I'm going to get you another one. Hang on. So, here we are again, and I've not now taken out the painting that I did a while ago. Yes, this is a diamond painting, and it's one of the most beautiful ones that I've done. I love it, and I love the shades and the colors. There are some things on the neck which could have been a bit better, but I think that's down to rendering on the computer. But as you can see, you almost would think there would be a lot of white in it. But let's go a bit closer and see. So I just moved the painting down from the table and onto the floor so you can see it a bit better, and hopefully we can avoid all of the glare. So let's just go a bit further into the painting, and now you can start seeing the drills. And as you go closer, you will notice there's a lot of green in it. There are some white here, not a lot. Pinks. All of the water up here consists of pinks and grays, bit of white, not much. Down here, just going to fold this together. Down here on the neck, you can see all of the pinks. The neck is completely pink, and a lot of whites, a bit of white in here, but still a lot of grays and a lot of greens. And again, if we go up here and just look at the color scheme up here, we will see the same thing. So if we just take it down here, let's see if we can take the colors down here and put it up top of the swan. you will see these are the colors again. So up here we have some dark ones, which we can put here. But here we have the color schemes for the grey. And yes, there will be some pinks in it. So if you get a painting, don't panic if there's not much white in it. And you are supposed to do a white horse, or these are for the shadowing. And you need to start them before freaking out, because they can turn out completely amazing, and even with pink dots in it. So let's go back and enjoy this one. Again, let's go back. This is how it is put up and looked at in our house, and I completely love it. This took forever to do. It's a square one. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Comment below if you got any questions. I will link to the store below, and talk to you soon, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. And remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks. Bye for now.